And you just pushed her. She did. She was phenomenal. And a baby boy.
It's a beautiful baby boy. We named him Ezra.
Yes, his name is Ezra.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Ezzy, it's Mahan Dada. It's us. He's not used to this.
I'm Alex, the one and only.
My name is Saba, and this is
Ez.
Ezra.
I call him Ez, or Easy. His mama calls him Ezra.
And many other names.
Yeah. Hey, Easy. Do you want to say hi? Say welcome to our channel.
Bye-bye. Mommy. Hi, Annelies. Hi, Annelies. You sweet waffles. Hi. Hi. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Dada. Dada. Ow. Ow. Dada. 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 You want to say something? Yeah? What would you like to say? Yes, I'm listening. Okay. There we go, better.
Is that a wrap? It keeps vibrating.
Vomista.
Yes.